let's say he was crucified when he was 37 years old. And then during the war, Yugoslav army attacked the cross from the airplane, and one airplane missed the cross. I'll tell you. Come this way. It's a funny story.
Guys, dito ngayon tayo sa Dibo Break, sa pinakamataas na bundok nila dito. Kasama namin si Chief Matko, yung original dito.
The pilot pressed the button with the rocket to hit the cross, but he missed. And he hit
Ito yung
one of these
nakwento ni Chief
rocks.
yung nangyari dito na isang airplane na
big
hinit ng pilot. Pero hindi tumama dito.
So I don't know how many
Sa cross na
tons
to.
it was weighing the rock. Got dislocated, and like a ball, like a big ball, started rolling down. Then it hit. So I can show you from here. Can you see down, just at the bottom of the forest? There is something like a house without a roof. You see something like that down. You can see a few cypress about this one without.
Guys, ay yung city ng Dibo Break.
Yeah,
that one.
so that big rock came down through the forest, fall on that house, destroyed 2 floors, but didn't kill anybody in the house.
Oh.
With the tank. So they were hitting, and they hit the cross, and they destroyed the cross. So this is the new one, because you can see this is the old pieces of stone. You can see this is the new one.
The new one, Chief,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can see.
This is still, I think this is the new one.
Only the bottom is
The bottom is the old one, yeah. So this was reconstructed. Yeah. That's how it is, yeah.
Just like a granite.
Yeah.
Sa yung bundok na yun, sabi ni Chief,
I
na
know
yung
what type of stone is this one.
boundary ng Slovakia.
And
And then it will...
Again, thank you to Chief
you can see
Matko.
down the
Dito
bottom, the
pinasyal
lower
kami
stage,
sa
you can
top
see
of
something
the mountain
correct.
ng
You can
Dibo
see
Break.
the
Yes,
parking
yes.
place,
At
and on the
sa
left side you
historical
can see the
cross na
gates,
nangyari dito.
the wire, then you
No,
can see
thank
orange.
you and
This
God
is the
bless.
lower